Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving ownership. Gather the original receipt, serial number, or IMEI and note the activation lock message on the iPhone 11. Once done, make sure the device is charged and connected to Wi-Fi so remote checks work. If you are not the original owner, obtain written authorization from the seller. That matters to Apple. These documents are the why behind Apple's security. Without them, legitimate unlocking routes are limited, and bypass attempts are both risky and unauthorized. Next, contact Apple support directly and request activation lock removal. Explain you have proof of purchase and present the iPhone 11 serial or IMEI. Once connected, follow their prompts and submit scanned receipts or photos. Apple verifies ownership before proceeding. If you go to an Apple store, bring the device, original payment method if possible, and a government ID. This speeds verification. Make sure to ask the representative what evidence they require and the expected turnaround time. Finally, once Apple verifies the paperwork, they will remove activation lock, and you can sign in with your Apple ID to finish setup. Reboot and check iCloud and Find My are under your account. If the original owner cannot be reached, arrange a notarized transfer or written authorization and present that to Apple. Don't attempt unofficial bypass methods. If removal fails, escalate to Apple Customer Relations and keep copies of every document and communication for their review. That's the safest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.